Hello, everybody. Welcome back again in the Children's Art Club. And then today we're going to talking about the scratch art. So we're going to see that how that the students can create a wax art or what we call it scratch art. I don't know, but basically we're going to use crayons as our medium, and then we're going to draw something using that's really fun activities. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to admit everyone, and don't forget to write your comments if you have any question or you want to join with our program. Just write your comment below, and then don't forget to subscribe. All right, and don't forget also to like. Okay, all right. I'm going to let everybody to come into our room. Okay, so we are going to greet them first. Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Hi. How are you, everybody? Can you please?
We are great.
Yeah, okay. Hi, are you ready? Okay, I want you to prepare your paper. Okay, A4 size of paper like this. But I want you to fold it into two like this. Wow, you have a new drawing book. Good job, Adrian. Good job. And then who else? Yeah, good job, Devanka. Now I'm going to I'm going to what? Yeah, this one. I'm going to close this one first. Okay. Now we are trying to create scratch art. Yeah. I want you to fold your paper first. Fold it like this. Okay. I want everybody to fold the paper. Yeah. You have to cut your paper, please, Adrian. Cut your paper first, and then yeah, and then you fold it. This no need. You don't need to fold it. Okay. After you fold it, then now you can. Okay, you can what? Right. After you fold it, you have to cut it. Yeah. Ask your mommy or some adult to help us to cut this one into two, like this. If you have any scissors, you can use scissors and then cut it into two, like this.
Robek.
Yeah, robek. Yeah, rip it into two. If it is possible, you can use cutter, but be careful when you want to use cutter. You have to ask a dog to help you. Okay, good job, Devanka, and good job. I forgot your name. Ivo. Yeah, Alice, sir, open your camera. Come on. And Glenn also, come on. Oh yeah, next another week, maybe we will learn how to create or how to build a house using some application in the internet. Yeah, using the online application program that we can build a house later, our dream house actually. And then yeah, maybe next another week. But today we're going to learn about scratch art. Are you ready? Now, before we move to another uh, activity, I'm going to share you some what some video first so that you uh, can get inspiration from that. Wait, where is it?
Just like this, Mr. Ram.
Yes, like that. Okay, can you see my slide now? All right, we're going to watch first. Yeah, what is scratch art? This one. All right, this one already made by Devanka, and then maybe we're going to restart it again. Hey, by the way, this one is Evo's face. Yay, Evo, you are in the internet now. Okay, everyone, come on.
Yay, I am the internet.
Yeah, you are very famous, yeah? Wait, where's my Zoom? Where's my Zoom? Oh my God, how to?
Stop sharing.
Oh,
You
where's
just stop screen sharing.
I'm sorry then. Okay, you are more smarter than me. My goodness. Okay, now we are ready, yeah? Actually, wax art have two ways how to do it. I mean, sketch art. The first one, if you have acrylic pen, do you have any acrylic paint?
Paints?
Yeah.
I have acrylic paints.
Yeah, do you have any acrylic paint, guys?
Paints? Yes, I have two paints. I have watercolor paint and acrylic paint.
Okay, good job. Okay, good job, Glenn. How about Adrian? Adrian, do you have any acrylic paint? Yeah, that one is crayon, Adrian. Do you have any acrylic paint? Sit down there. Come on. Do you have any acrylic paint, Aleta, Alistair? If you don't have it, it's okay. I just want to know, so we cannot use the second way then and how to do it. Okay, let's just start with the first way. Yeah.
I don't know where my acrylic paint is.
You don't know where is that? It's okay. Now we're going to start. Yeah. Okay, we're going to use my my webcam, and this is the paper. I want you to use this first paper, and then you need to use your crayons like this. This is my crayon, and I'm going to start with the light color first. Okay, just use one paper, one color, and you can start to color it first, yeah? I will start to create a color on this part first. Yeah, you can make circle, you can make a triangle, up to you. Yeah, you can start now, guys. Use any color you like, and don't forget to color your paper, and don't leave any white space. Okay, color it. You don't have to follow me. Actually, you can use your own way. Like Devanka, you start with what? Can you show your color now? Oh, you start with the circle in the middle. Yeah.
And then later I'll make square here.
Yeah.
And something else.
All right. Now, Mr. I will try to fill this area with green. Okay, guys, you don't have to follow me. Okay, you can start with your own idea. Remember, Mr. Al don't really like if the students really follow Mr. Al. You have to have your own. This one is art. Art is all mostly more personal.
Mine is going good.
Yeah. And after that, I'm going to use yellow.
It's turning nice. Okay.
If you want to make the nice scratch art, you have to cover all the paper with the crayons. Yeah, don't leave any white space. Even Mr. Al trying to cover everything. See that there is no white space, even though maybe a little bit, but I will cover everything there. Don't leave any white space. If it still have a white space, later your scratch art will be failed. You cannot make it very nice. Okay. Now I cover everything first. Okay, you can start with the light color first. Don't use black, okay? You cannot use black because if you use black, you will ruin your drawing. Start with the light color first. I'm now working with the light brown. Okay. Okay, don't follow Mr. Al, okay? Oh, what's wrong? Okay.
Is it okay if I mix my color?
Ah, you can mix your color. Can I see your color, please, Ivo?
Sure.
Wow, yeah. Okay. Oh, are you using crayon?
Yeah, I'm using my own crayon. It's a big palette.
Yeah, you have to push it harder, yeah? Like this, like Mr. Al. If it's possible, Ifo, don't mix your color. Just use, just use a solid color like this. What else? This one?
Yeah.
Then to use pink. Adrian, how is it, Adrian? Can you show me your color, please? Just a while. Yes, yeah, you can start with the triangle like that. Don't leave any white space, okay, Adrian? You have to cover all the white space, white spot. Because if it still have a white spot, it cannot be worked later on. It is not working. Okay, wow, this is cool. Okay, as best as you can, okay, use light color only. Don't use dark color like blue, dark blue. It's no.
Wait, I use blue.
Yeah, but if it is already used blue, it's okay. Maybe you can continue with light colors like me. Yellow, light green.
Estral, you cannot use this kind of crayon.
Yeah,
So,
keep the black for the last, okay? Keep the black for the last one. Don't use black, and as best as you can, just use only a light color, yeah?
this blue is the light blue. So it's a light.
Yeah, you can use light blue actually. Can I use light blue? Okay.
What is happening to your hand? It is very wet.
Right, crayons are made from wax, from powder and wax. They mix it. That's why if you touch the crayon, it is so oily. If you can touch it and you can feel it with your with your hand, you will
I
not.
just mixed it yellow and this color.
Yeah.
It's very indigo, and then it turned completely green.
Wow. So you mix yellow and blue, and it becoming green. Yes, Ivo, that is the basic gradation or blending rules. When you are mix yellow and blue, it will create green. Okay. Now I think I have a problem with coloring the. Well, I'm going to use this a small spot with the gray. Once again, everybody, please avoid the dark color. Yeah, don't use dark color. Use only light color to make your scratch art more colors and more brightness. Okay, I'm going to color this part with light gray. Don't forget, don't leave any white space.
Using dark green.
Okay, don't leave any white space, yeah, or white
I'm
spot.
gonna white, so it can be white.
Okay. Alithia, you can stop. You can talk to Mr. Al. You can open your a microphone and we can discuss each other. Don't just only like silent. I want everybody to create a productive noise. All right?
Mr. Can I go to the toilet?
No, you cannot. Of course you can. Don't forget, Rachel, to flush. Yeah, don't forget to flush your things.
And wash hands.
Oh yeah, don't forget to wash your hands also. Remember, don't leave any white space on your toilet. Okay. Alithia, how are you today? Good?
Good.
Okay, do you have any
School
homework?
is getting a little bit nicer and better. My homework.
Oh, sorry, you have a lot of homework at home, no? Yeah, actually, I like your shirt, actually, Alithia. It's so pinkish. You look so pretty. And Ivo also. Oh, you're wearing, yeah, wow. Oh, you like Desi? That one is Desi, right?
This is my drawing.
Wow, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, thank you, Ivo, Alithia. Now, Glenn, I think you are a little bit far away. You have to cover all your paper with color, yeah? Don't draw anything yet.
Okay.
Just cover your paper with the color first. Okay. We're going to draw the
Can I use gradation?
cannot. Oh yeah, you
Mr.
can.
Al, can I use gradation?
Yeah, of course, Glenn, yeah, you can use gradation. Yeah, you don't need to draw anything. You just color your paper first. You're going to draw all
Mr. Al,
yeah?
Mr. Al, I think I need to go to the toilet.
No, you cannot. Of course, go. Ivo. Yeah, Ivo, if you want to go to the toilet, just go to the toilet. Yeah, don't forget to wash your hand and don't forget to leave any white spots on it.
Yeah, of course. Toilet is white. Brown.
All right, this one I'm using orange now. See that Mr. R only using light color, light green, light blue, orange. I don't really want to use a red because
Why can't we use black?
because black will be the last one. Black will cover all the paper. Black will be the.
Black will cover all the paper with the.
Okay, this is fun actually, but a little bit exhausted because we are trying to color first. Okay, Mr. R is done.
I'm not yet done.
Now this is the fun part.
I'm not yet done. Wait.
Yeah. I'm going to wait. Everybody, don't worry. Rochelle, have you washed your hand? Rochelle? Yes? Have you washed your hand?
Yes.
Okay. Have you flushed the toilet? No?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Adrian? Do you have any homework to do? Okay, good. Glenn, how is it? Your school are cool or worse? Yeah, Glenn, good job. Put a bright color, Glenn, like pink or yellow or light green. Make it more merrier.
Just yep.
Okay. Now
Pink.
I'm working with another paper, yeah? Okay.
I'm not done yet. No. I'm not done yet.
Yeah, it's okay, Glenn. It's okay. The purpose of my example is you have to color both of your paper, yeah, with many color. Because if you only color one, it will never be enough. You will be feeling addicted and you want to make another one again. That's why we will do it all at once. Wow, Adrian, you almost finished, right, Adrian? Are you almost finished, Adrian? Okay, don't forget, Adrian, don't leave any white spot, yeah? You have to cover everything.
I'm already done peeing.
Yeah, today we're not going to use acrylic because not all the kids have acrylic paint. So you just keep
acrylic.
Yeah, you just keep the acrylic for another week because we're going to have a painting lesson next 2 weeks from now. And after next 2 weeks, we're going to learn about animation. We will build a house using an online
Wait,
program.
today's paint?
No, today is only making a scratch art. Painting will be next week from now. Plan. Painting will be do it next week. I mean another week, next 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks after this week.
Yeah.
I love painting.
Yeah. When you want to do painting, you
I
can.
already painted when I was, I think, 6 years old.
Yeah.
With my teacher.
Wow. Cool. How about you, Alithia?
I do it maybe like, I think Friday I do it. I do my lesson.
How about Alisa or Alithia? Have you ever paint?
I paint all the times.
A lot of time. I'm just gonna ignore my dark colors.
Okay. Tori and Rachel, what happened with you? You don't need to ask it. Okay, and now I'm working with my second paper. Remember, don't leave any white space. Okay, if you create...
They can look more fabulous.
Is there any white space here? There's no white space, right?
Yeah, correct. Good job, Glenn. How about Alice and Theo? Theo, how is it, Theo? Oh, Nicholas.
This is another paper.
Okay,
I
good.
think my drawing is gonna take forever.
Yeah.
My drawing is gonna take forever.
I also want to make... Hey, Mr. Al, I think you stole my idea.
Oh, sorry then. Sorry. All right.
You stole my idea.
That's why be careful. If you share your drawing, somebody may steal your idea. Even Mr. R also sometimes steal your idea. Hi, Nico. Are you ready, Nico?
I also want to make a circle.
Okay, Nico, prepare your small paper.
It's funny.
Okay,
Yes,
Nico.
Mr.
Yeah.
I ever have another art class, and then sometimes I steal one of my friend's idea, and then she doesn't mind because she's so nice.
Yeah.
That's really fun.
Okay, Nico, you are late. But it's okay. Apa? Okay, I want you to use your... Where's your crayons? Take one crayons. Yeah, choose the light one. It can be light blue, light green, yellow. Don't choose black or don't choose red. Just choose the light one. Can be light blue. And then try to color it. Yeah, try to color your paper. Okay? You can start now, Nico. Try to color your paper. You can follow me or you can use your own way how to color it. Actually, we already produced 2 paper. Yeah? Nico,
Okay.
color your paper using light color only. Don't use black, don't use like dark blue, dark green, no.
I use green.
Yeah, you use green. You can use green first.
Is this dark, Mr. Al?
No. That can be used. Orange. I also use orange.
I also use orange. Hello, Mr. Al.
Yeah. Hi, Rachel. How is it, Rachel? Are you done with the first paper?
No, I do.
You didn't. You still working in it? Okay. Now, Mr. Al, Mr. Al, I am almost done. Okay. Don't be too lazy, everybody. You have to push it more harder. Push it more harder.
I don't have time to do it, and it's done.
Come on, Ivo. Color your paper. If it is too big, you have to cut your paper into 2. Make it more smaller so that you will not be so tired. Ask your mommy or somebody, or dog, to help you to cut your paper. Yeah, come on, make it more closer, please, Ivo. Yeah, correct. I mean, Tori. Correct, like that. Okay, Ivo, it has to be closer each other, yeah, not only like spreading like that. You have to fill the empty space with colors, or else your drawing will not be working later. Okay, Alicia. Wow, yeah, Glenn, like that. Don't leave any white space, Glenn. You have to cover everything. Wait.
My hands are so tired. Our hands do work every day.
If
Is
I
it like this?
Little Al, I'm so
Why? What's up? Yes, next week we are going to make a graphic design. We're going to create a COVID-19 prevention poster. So I want everybody to work with the laptop, yeah? If you have it.
Laptop.
Yeah, can be computer, can be laptop.
I do not have a laptop.
Oh, what is the thing that you use
Is
for?
this light blue?
Yeah, can be, Glenn. Ivo, you
I
using
only
that?
use my tablet.
Oh, you can use tablet also later. Yeah.
This. It seems more darker.
So I will cover all the white space with the color. Don't leave any white spot. Even the small spot. Cover it with the crayon. I know this one is very tiring, but you will see the magic later. The last.
I am so tired.
You're overwhelming.
Is it?
Like this?
Yeah. Yes, but I still can see Glenn's. There is still a white spot on it.
I still have white space.
Yeah, don't be too lazy. Come
Can
on.
draw squares.
Yeah,
Make it
don't be
faster.
too lazy. Come on, color it. Don't try to find another reason that you don't want to do it. No, you have to study. This will.
I'm gonna make a background.
Yeah, this will strengthen your hands. If your hands strong, it will. You can write nicely later, or you can help your mommy to hold something. And maybe you can help your friend when they are asking you to leave something, and then yeah. Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
You're done? No, there is a white space. Adrian, is that white or cream? Oh, cream color. Okay. Okay, if you're done, Adrian, now you can use black. Okay, Adrian, now you can use black and color all of the paper with black. Oh my God, Mr. Al.
Both of the paper?
Yeah, all the paper, but you cannot use this black if you still have white space. Yeah.
I'm done.
Glenn, don't ever try to use black before you really done, or else you cannot make your scratch pen working. Okay, you cannot use black if you still have a white space. Don't be too lazy, everybody. Even Mr. R already create two, and then Adrian also already done.
I didn't cover all.
Yeah.
May I drink?
May I what?
Drink.
Yeah, of course. Go. It's okay. Maybe they are trying to act polite so that they are asking. All right. Don't ever trying to use black, yeah? If you still have a white space in your paper, no using black. You can use black if all the paper has been covered with the color, like Mr. Al. Okay. If you dare to use
Is
black,
there no white space?
yeah. Come on, don't be too lazy. If it is possible, you just create one paper, it's okay. You don't need to create two paper, yeah? Just one paper
I
at
already created.
what?
I'm almost done with my second paper.
Oh, it's okay. You don't need to finish with the second paper if you're already tired, Glenn. Just start with the first paper.
My hands are so oof.
Yeah, Mr. Al
Okay, I'm just
also.
gonna color it black.
But you each will be satisfied if you can finish your work later on. Okay,
This is
I
black.
cover all the,
Just color it black.
yeah.
Is there any white spaces here, Mr. Al?
Can you close to the camera, please? Put your paper close to the camera. I want to see that first. Again, closer, 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 closer. Okay, good. That one is okay. Now you can use black, Glenn. Cover all the paper with black.
Oh, no, this is a hard job.
Yeah.
No, that's over.
Today, it has been a hard day for me.
Black like this, like pure black.
Yes, pure black. Yeah, correct. Glenn. Oh my God.
Hey, how did Mr. Al did it so fast?
I'm using my superpower to do it.
You're Superman, or Flash, or Sonic.
Okay, I'm done. Basically, we have two ways on how to make this one black. You can use your crayon or you can use your black paint. Black paint.
What? You can use black paint?
Yeah. You want to see how I'm using a black paint?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm going to use
yeah.
black paint on my second paper, yeah? Ready, wait.
Do you use like this thing? The acrylic paint, like this one? Mr. Al, do you use an acrylic paint? Does it do any effect if we put black, Mr. Al?
Mr. Al is going
Hello?
away. Mr. Al is going away. Excuse me,
Oh,
Mr. Al. Mr. Al. Mr. Al is preparing the paint.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
There it is.
if you put black, does it do any effect?
Can you put what?
If you put black, does it do any effect?
Yeah. Later, we can see the effect later. You have to cover everything with black first, yeah?
I can actually draw on it with this long toothpick.
Okay, now Alistair, Nico, are you done with all
Just
the
like a
color?
heart.
Come on, cover all the paper. If your paper is too big, you have to cut it into smallest. Nico, coba lihat kertas segede apa. Can I see your paper first, please, Nico? Ya, segitu nggak apa-apa. Ayo, color ya. Until everyone. Oh, wow, Alistair, so cute. Okay, Alistair, you can cover it with crayons, with black crayons now. Cover it with black crayons, Alistair, like Mr. Al. Good. Oh, shape inside the shape.
Mr. Al, look, I make a colorful heart.
Wow. Yeah. Wow, Ifo is already one step forward. I mean, one step ahead from us. Thank you so much, Nick.
Wait, what?
Ivo. Yeah, after this one, actually, this is
You
done.
already drew?
Yeah, she already drew.
You've already drawn, guys.
Wow. Actually, after you cover with black, this one is done. Yeah. Now you can use something like this. I have one.
I can actually erase it and it will stay
Yeah.
completely back again.
I have the stick like this, the bamboo stick, and I'm going to cut it because it's going to take it too long. Right now, wow, we have the same stick, Ivo. Oh, you're using your brush? Okay, after that, we're going to draw something on this part, okay? See that Mr. Al is drawing something.
I think I'm almost done, Mr. Al.
Yeah, good. Come on.
Why is it so like that?
Don't miss the fun part. This is the fun part, guys. Mr. Al tried to draw a dragonfly. This is fun.
Do I have to draw a dragonfly?
No, you can use your own.
Mr. Al?
Yeah?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Can we color it in?
Can we what?
Color it in.
Can we what?
Color it in so it can be more colorful.
Oh, actually no need. You just need to create a line. Before like this. Yeah, after you're done, use stick like this, the sharp stick, or you can use any kind of, maybe your
I just color it in.
your brush, the edge of the brush, you can use this stick brush. I am lucky because I have my stick like this. How is it, Adrian? Do you have a stick or something sharp?
I'm just gonna color it in so it looks pretty.
Okay, Devanka, you can join with your friend actually.
No, but I'm doing my scratch art.
You want to join with us first?
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Rachel, are you done, Rachel? Make this one black.
Oh, I'm tired.
Okay.
No.
Don't forget. How is it, Alithia? Are you done coloring your
Mr.
paper? Yes. If you're done. Yes, Adrian. Adrian, you want to say something?
Yes.
Yeah, you can draw using that stick. Come on, draw anything you like. You can draw like Mr. Al, dragonfly. All right, for Alithia, I want you to cover it with black. Yeah, use black and just color black over the color, the colorful crayon. Okay, Alithia, use black now.
Done. Put it.
Okay, go. Alithia, do you have any black crayons? Do you have any black crayons, Alithia? Yes. Now, Alithia, you can cover your paper, this one, with black. Make it all black. Okay, come on, do it now. Okay. Oh, we are running out of time, guys. If you have to what we call it? I mean, so hard for me to express.
Present.
Yeah, rejoin again. Thank you so much, Glenn. Okay. I think this one will be almost done. Welcome back. How is it, Adrian? Have you scratched your paper? Not yet? Not yet. Okay, you can draw anything you want here. Okay, Adrian?
Should we present our...
Yeah, we are going to present. You have to talk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone need to talk after this one. Okay, Mr. I wants to draw something first. After you scratch, you don't need to color it again, yeah? because this one already colored by black. If you trying to color it again, yeah.
I color it with my toothpick.
Okay.
I mean, like
you
you
scratch
do
it with
it.
the toothpick, or you
I
scratch
mean
it.
it like this. Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. Correct. Correct, Len.
That's pretty good.
Okay. After you scratch it, you don't need to color it again. Yeah. This is what we call scratch art. If you start to color it again, for example, with orange or with everything, it will be ruin your drawing. Okay, if you're done, then you can start to make it again next time if you have a time. And you can show it to your mommy or to somebody outside there.
A swirly thing.
Okay, like this. Do you know the step-by-step now, how to do the scratch art? Scratch.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, after this, I want everybody to share your knowledge, yeah, so that we can learn other. Okay, you can create this one for your invitation. If, for example, Alistair wants to celebrate her birthday and she wants to make it more unique, then you can create an invitation card using this kind of technique, and you write down your names, your friend's name here, for example, to Rachel, please come to my birthday party at what time and something like that, and then you can give it to your friend. Oh, this is for you. Wow, this is a good artwork, something like that. Yes, all right. Who's done? Now it's time for Mr. R to listen up to you. Mr. R is too much talking. I want you now to talk. I want to listen. Who's done? How is it, Theo? How is it, Theo? Remember, yeah?
Not,
You're not done?
This is my drawing, Mr. Al.
Wow, see that? Glenn, that's really, wow, fantastic. Good job. Wow, you should show it to your daddy then. Your daddy should be proud of your drawing. Or your mommy. How about you, Alistair? Do you have any problem? You can talk to Mr. Al and Alithia. Don't just be silent. If you feel anything, just talk to Mr. Al. We've been together, I mean, like for about like 2 months in this. How do you feel, Alithia? Are you stressful or what? Are you,
super happy.
oh, you happy? Okay, good. All right. After you're done, please share your knowledge with us, yeah, because it's sharing is caring. Wow, that is yours, Alithia.
Yeah.
You made it by your hands. All right. I want you to make it more detailed, Alithia. More detail, please. For example, there is a line on this part. Make it more detailed, Alithia. Remember, detail can make your drawing looks more stunning. Like this.
I am done.
Done. Okay, Glenn, you want to present it? If you can, if you want to present it after you present, you can leave the call and then you can play with your friend. Come on, let's make it more easier and faster. All right, the first session, we need Glenn. After Glenn will be ready, Alistair, yeah? Wait, Alistair, Glenn first.
Okay.
Glenn, 1, 2, go.
So this is my drawing. This is a scratch drawing. And here in the back of this black, I have so much colors combined, and then I put some black on all of them, and then I used my toothpick to draw some lines and make I made a galaxy.
Wow. What is that at the space? I mean at the spot, I mean at the edge of your paper, at the left part, left corner, upside corner.
Here?
Yeah, that one.
That's a meteor.
Oh, I thought that one is a black hole. Okay,
Black hole is way more round.
can you make it more merrier, please, Glenn? I can imagine if you can draw so many things there, it will be much more better than. You wanna continue, or you wanna play with your friend?
I'm gonna continue my drawing. Can I present later?
Yeah. Okay. Now, Alistair, come on. Start to talk, Alistair. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing. This is a butterfly,
Okay.
and this is a butterfly, and this is a flower.
Wow. Okay.
This is a sun,
Yeah.
and this is a
What? A cloud?
yes.
Okay. Wow. This one looks so cute and beautiful. Alistair, if it is possible, you can draw another butterfly in an empty space. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's time
Thank
for
you,
you.
Mr. Al.
You're welcome, Alistair. It's time for you to play with your friend. Okay. You can leave the call, Alistair and Glenn, if you want. Bye bye, Alistair.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Al. Bye.
See you next week, Alistair. Bye bye. See that? If you can.
Can I go next?
Yeah, Ivo, come on, present. Hello, everyone.
So this is my drawing, which is a scratch one. I made it with my toothpick, my long toothpick, and there is a flower and a peephole, and there's a rainbowy rose, which is so cool.
Yeah.
And there's a cat, which is kind of like a rabbit. And there's the sun and the cloud. Yay!
All right. Wow, looks more abstract. Yeah. You are the real artist. I mean, Ivo.
Done.
Thank you.
Wow, good job. Are you happy with your drawing, Ivo?
I
Mr.
also
Ryan,
have another one. This one.
Good.
Okay, wait, yeah, Adrian. Ivo first.
Thanks, good.
Okay, what is that, Ivo? Tell us.
That is a beautiful and colorful butterfly.
Wow, you make it with so many
And
energy.
there's a heart at the middle, which is here.
Yeah, I can see that. Wow, that's really cool.
And it
Congratulations.
has a smiley face.
Yeah, well done, Ivo. Thank you so much. It's time for you to play outside. Thank you. Bye-bye, Ivo. I give you the best.
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye.
Now we need Adrian. After Adrian, maybe Glenn will be preparing for the next presentation. Now, Adrian, go.
This is my drawing.
All right.
I'm drawing Ultraman and the cake
Okay.
and butterfly
Wow.
and sun and tree.
Wow. How you make it? Can you share us the step by step? What is the first step that you have to do it? You need to what?
I
First,
make the cake.
First.
Make the
Cake
cake first.
okay, and then,
The
And then-
butterfly.
Then butterfly.
okay,
And then
And then Ultraman.
yeah,
then
And then
the tree
the tree
and
and sun.
okay. Are you happy with your drawing, Adrian?
Yes.
Is it hard for you to do that one, or is it easy?
Yes.
Okay, I think I get your point, and thank you so much, Adrian, for sharing your drawing. I hope you can do it again next time. And it's time for you to play. Bye bye, Adrian. Thank you.
Bye.
See you next week. Now I need to.
Bye.
Yeah, bye bye, Adrian. Okay, now it's more life. Who wants to be the next one? Alithia, are you ready?
I'm not yet done.
Okay, now Glenn, are you ready? You
No.
have to play, Glenn. Go play. Go outside. Jump or do something else. Come on. Hey, no, Glenn. Present first.
What?
You have to
Oh, yeah.
present first. You promised us to present. Okay, once again, ready?
But I'm still not done.
Okay. I think you are now a little bit confused because you need to play, but you also need to continue your.
What do I do? Okay, just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna add some circles.
Okay, go. Now, Rachel and Tori, are you done? Don't wasting your time. Nicholas, come on. We still have a little bit
And
time
I am done.
outside. You're done now, Glenn?
I'm done.
Not ready.
Okay, Glenn first. After Glenn will be the others. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing.
Okay.
Here, I drew 3 planets. There's a meteor, and the circles, the little circles, is the stars.
Okay.
Here, I have the sun so big that it's so little. And here's an alien. Here's an astronaut saying hello to the alien. And here's a scientist.
Okay. See that when you add more object, it looks more awesome, Glenn. Okay, I give you 2 thumbs up. And then you know what, Glenn? You are very good in terms of drawing some futuristic thing like an alien, like planets and everything. Keep up the good work, Glenn. Well done. I give you 2 thumbs up. And now you have to go away. Okay, play with your friend. Go, 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 go. Hey, don't forget to leave the class first. I mean, yeah. Oh, okay then. Glenn's already there. Alithia, are you ready? Glenn has forgot to turn off the camera.
Not yet.
Okay, Tori. Rachel, are you done? Theo,
Not ready.
come on. We still have a lot of time for us to speak. Mr. R is too much talking. I want you to talk. I want to listen up.
Mr. Al, I'm
Bye. Turn off your camera first. Bye.
Mr. Al, I'm already done.
Yes, Rachel. Yeah, you can go now. Ready? 1, 2, go.
First, I draw
Say your name.
tree, and then I color it with rainbow color, and then after the rainbow color, the black.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. What is that? Are you drawing a butterfly or what?
Tree.
Oh, tree. Are you happy with your drawing, Rachel? Rachel, I think I think you need to color with black, and it have to be very close, yeah? Like this. You have to color it very black, solid black like this, so that the effect will be appears. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for sharing your artwork to us. Rachel, Mr. I'll give you 2 thumbs up. Okay, and then now Rachel, you can play with your sister. Try to bother her. Try to disturb your sister then, because you're already done. Thank you so much, Rachel. Now, Tori, are you done? Okay, now it's
Yes.
eyes on screen. Tori, you want to present? Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my draw. I draw a flower, a bird, a butterfly, and a sun.
Okay, I can see that your scratch art is looks very nice, and then keep up the good work, Tori. Well done, and then yeah, I will only give you only 2 thumbs up for your effort, and bye bye, Tori and Rachel. You have to play. Go 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 go. Bye bye. I see you again next week. Bye bye. Okay, next, Alithia, are you done? Yes, Alithia, you have to speak louder, be confident, and then just be confident. Express your opinion. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Say your
This
name
is
first.
my
Wait.
drawing.
You have to say your name first. Hi, everyone. My name is Alithia, and this is my drawing. Go.
Hello, my name is Amitia. This is my drawing.
Yeah.
I made a flower and a sun and a butterfly and a grass and another grass.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever tried this technique?
The one
Alithia, have you ever tried this technique before?
I tried it when I was still little.
Oh, yeah, that's why. No wonder your drawing looks
Got it from a store
okay. And then?
and I make scratch. I did a LOL one.
Yeah. I think next time maybe you can be the teacher. Maybe you can be Mr. Our assistant, yeah? To teach everyone about the scratch art. Maybe we can arrange the time, yeah? Alithia, because your drawing looks very nice. Can you tell me the story about this one? The last one?
It was
The one that you hold. The one that you hold. What is that?
a lot of trees, a tree garden.
Okay. And then how you make it?
It has, I just make straight line and connect it together. And a long
That's one.
thin way,
Mhm.
and I color the tree.
Okay. Wow. Are you happy with your drawing, Alithia?
Yes.
Okay, that is enough. If you're happy, you can do it again next time, yeah? All right. Okay, you still have a time for you to just relax. After that, you have to take a bath and don't forget to study again. Maybe you have your homework. Do it now. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you again, Alithia. Thank you so much. See you again next week. Bye, Alithia. And then next will be Nico. Yeah, you're welcome, Alithia.
Okay.
You can stay if you want, Alithia. Right, Nico. Ready, 1, 2, go. Hi, my name is Nico.
Hi, my name is Nico, and this is my drawing. First of all, I colored the whole paper with light crayon. There are pink, green, and blue. After that, I cover it with black crayon, and then I draw a house, family, tree, car, sun, and cloud.
Wow, Nico, you know what? Oh, you want to say something again? Go.
Using a toothpick.
Okay.
Toothpick.
Yeah. If you still have something to say, just say it now. Nico, you know what? Your English nowadays becoming more better, yeah? Nico, you're also so brave and you are so confident now. I can see the progress. Thank you so much, Nico.
Thank you,
Yeah, keep
Mr.
on. Yeah, keep on practicing speaking English. Yeah, Nico.
Okay.
Okay, don't be shy. Your English already good. Okay, you just need to practice to talk a lot more. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome, Nico.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Nico. See you again next week.
Bye.
Okay, we have Fio now. Hi, Fio. How is it?
Done.
Are you done?
Mm.
Okay, can you please present your drawing? Is there
I'm
somebody?
not done.
You're not done?
Yes.
It's okay, Fio. Just tell the process. You don't need to finish it. Just tell the process.
Okay.
You go. Ready? Hi, my name is Fio, and this is my drawing.
Hi, my name is Leo. My process is first I color many color, but nine color, and then I color black,
Yeah, I color
color black,
black, and then
and then I draw with a stick,
with stick.
and I want to draw astronaut.
Wow. Okay. All right, Theo. I think you are still working with your drawing, and I can see that your English now becoming more better. And just please be confident, yeah, Theo. No need to be shy. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to just talk. Don't worry about the mistake. People make mistakes. People are also sometimes talking so much, and then I create a lot of mistakes. But I don't care as long as I talking in English. I learn how to speak English every day. All right, Theo, you can show your drawing again next time, yeah? Can you?
Okay.
All right, see you again next
Yeah.
week. Bye-bye, Theo. You still have the time to play with your friend. Bye-bye,
Bye bye.
everyone. And that's it. Okay, see.
But I can play with my friend.
Yeah, yeah. Go, play, go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.